Now see this image and tell me what is the diagnosis. So what you can see that affected breast is engorged, and here you can see it is erythematous. So there is erythema of the skin, and when incision was given, can you see the pus? So here you can see the pus flowing. So pus coming out after incision. So what is the diagnosis? This is a classical case of breast abscess. Okay, breast abscess. Generally, you have seen that in which patients you are going to find these are the lactating females, and especially the primees whose first baby is born. Because of faulty technique of breastfeeding, what is the problem? There is trauma around the nipple because of faulty technique of breastfeeding. And you know, in the skin there is one organism. Which one? Staph aureus. So this Staph aureus is going to penetrate, and this is responsible for breast abscess. So what is the most common organism responsible for breast abscess? Staph aureus. And the breast abscess is more commonly seen in lactating females. Okay, so it is seen in lactating females, and especially in primees because of faulty breastfeeding technique. What's the most common organism responsible? And that's the Staph aureus. Staph aureus. Now it's very easy to remember. We discussed that anywhere in the body, if there is pus collection, patient will be having what? Pain and tenderness. There will be fever with chills and rigor. So these patients are also coming to us. The breast is massively engorged. There is pain, there is tenderness, and there is fever with chills and rigor. And if you examine, the breast skin is erythematous. So see the findings here. Clinical features. So there is pain and tenderness in the breast. Affected breast is engorged. So there is engorged breast with erythema of the skin. So there is erythema, and simultaneously these patients are having fever with chills and rigor. Fever with chills and rigor. Right? How we are going to manage? See, if abscess is there, we have to drain. So the treatment is incision and drainage plus antibiotics. The question which was asked in NEET, what is the first line agent for breast abscess? Since the organism is Staph aureus, we give cloxacillin or dicloxacillin, and for how long it's given? 10 to 14 days. So what's the treatment? Incision and drainage plus antibiotics. And what's the first line agent? The first line agent. This was the question in NEET, and it is cloxacillin or dicloxacillin. And it's given for how many days? It's given for 10 to 14 days. Clear? So this is how we manage the breast abscess.